What's up guys, I'm making Matt and I'm going to show you something. Today I'm going to be showing you my 3D printed LED lit sign that's right over my bed right now. It's just right over there. Let's go check it out here on Making Matt. P.S. This video will be probably very short because I don't really know what to talk about. Yeah, let's get started. Now you see, usually I'm quite a reasonable man. But this time, I went all out for you guys. I spent the big dough. I spent money. Money. I like the sound of that. Then why did I spend it on the project? Bang, bang. Not a good idea. Well, basically I spent way too much money on this project. So, in the future projects, I will have to be very cheap. You're welcome. Usually, I am quite a reasonable man, not spending more than, say, $1 or $2 on a project. Like, take for instance this one. Zero. Except for the filament. Zero for this one, except for the filament too. And one of my most expensive ones was this one, which probably cost me around $1.50. Because I used 3 bearings at 25 cents each equals to 75. Yes, and then 50 for the filament. But today, as I said before, I went all out. I made this masterpiece. It cost me around $30. Which I probably could have spent $10 and did the same amount. Actually, I know I could have. But more on that another day. So here this is my magnum opus. There are mainly 4 printed parts, big ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And because they were so big, I had to print them on my Alpha YZ20. You can just scale this down if you ever need to for printing it. And then I put some 3D printed back plates on and super glued those. Glued those there. Sorry, words. And there's also another one under the LED strip there. And then I have these pegs that keep it around 2 centimeters off the walls. So that works well. And then I have these mounting brackets on the back. And then I used around 6 feet or 2 meters of 12 volt LED strips. And I just glue gun those to the back, and that worked pretty well. And then for soldering, I tried to do as few connections as possible. I probably could have done much better. But yeah, it didn't take me too long. It took me around an hour to do all that. And then I ordered a LED controller, so I can change the color. Also, they have music ones, which seem to work, so that'd be cool. You could sync this to music. And then to power all the LEDs, I bought a 12 volt 600 milliamp AC to DC power adapter transformer. So yeah, so here it is. It's going through a bunch of colors. So you can see, looks pretty nice. And now I can change the color with this. Bunch of colors on here. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that.